Do you want to use TikTok after it is banned in India? In this video I am gonna show you to use TikTok after being banned in India. Before watching this video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell symbol. So let's get started. Open Chrome Web Store, add a free VPN for your browser. I am gonna select ZenMate free VPN for my browser. You can add IT just clicking the blue button. After the extension is being added, open it to change your server on the browser. Now I'm gonna select America's server to my browser to use TikTok. Now search for TikTok on Google and open its official website. You can now use TikTok even if it is banned in your country. To continue watching TikTok, you should never turn off the VPN. If you do so, TikTok might stop working on your browser. I hope you all like this video and make sure to share it with your friends. Meet you soon in the next video, guys.